Hi, I'm Nicole, and I'm working with Ninja to introduce to you Amazon's latest exclusive, the Ninja Compact Kitchen System with Auto IQ. This is the perfect addition to your kitchen for all of your blending and food processing needs. Not only can you create your favorite perfectly blended drinks like smoothies and margaritas, but you can also chop and prep vegetables and mix cookie, breads, and pizza doughs. The Ninja Compact Kitchen System comes with a single serve to-go cup, a total crushing pitcher, and a precision processor bowl. Paired with a 1200 watt motor base, this kitchen system won't stall, whether you're crushing frozen ingredients or mixing dough for your favorite banana bread recipe. The 72-ounce total crushing pitcher is perfect for large batches of frozen drinks and smoothies, ideal if you're making your favorite smoothie or pina colada for friends and family. Inside the pitcher, the total crushing stacked blade assembly will turn ice to snow and can break tough ingredients like frozen fruits and vegetables like peppers and broccoli. If you're looking to make some homemade cupcakes for the whole family, you can also use this pitcher to mix the batter. With the 5-cup precision processor bowl, you can use the food processing functionality to create healthy snacks and meals with ease. Pair with the chopping blade assembly to chop vegetables, and use the dough blade assembly to whip up cookie and pizza dough, and use the stacked blade assembly for dips and sauces. What I love about the Ninja Compact Kitchen System is that there's no need for separate appliances to create smoothies, mixed doughs, and processed veggies, which helps me save time, money, and space in my home. It's truly helped me expand what I can make in my kitchen. For those times you don't need the large capacities of the pitcher or the bowl, you also have the single serve to-go cup that you can blend in and drink from. After you've blended your drink, all you need to do is remove the blade assembly by twisting counterclockwise. Then place the spout lid onto the cup and twist the lid clockwise until firmly sealed and you're good to go. This cup is paired with the Pro Extractor blade assembly, which completely breaks down whole foods like apples and kale, unlocking the full potential of your fruits and veggies. Now you might be wondering how I know how long to blend or process things for, and to that I say Ninja's Auto IQ technology. These preset programs are designed to take the guesswork out of creating your favorite recipes. There are 3 Auto IQ functions. The smoothie function is preset to blend smoothies with perfect consistency. The frozen function helps you create frozen drinks like daiquiris, fruity slushies, milkshakes, and more. You can also use this setting paired with the precision processor bowl to chop up fruits and vegetables. Lastly, the dough mix function gives you the ability to prepare meals quickly and easily from scratch. Paired with the precision processor bowl, you can make bread and cookie doughs, pie crusts, dips, sauces, and purees. If you're experimenting with blending and processing times, or if you know how long you need to blend or process for, you can use the manual settings. You can choose to blend continuously for up to 60 seconds by pressing the start and stop button. Or you can use pulse to have greater control over the blending. Use short presses for short pulses and long presses for long pulses. With the Compact Kitchen System, not only do you get all of these great accessories, but you also get this recipe inspiration guide to help you get started. Learn about the different drinks, smoothies, and shakes you can whip up in the pitcher and the single-serve cups, and the treats that you can tackle in the precision processor bowl. And remember to check out the tips in the inspiration guide for loading and blending. Looking for more recipe inspiration or have more questions? Visit ninjakitchen.com to find everything you're looking for.